How to use MetaTrader 5 on iPhone. Falling property market prices and the volatile equity market have compelled many investors to look for other investment alternatives. Forex account has come as a blessing to such investors with easy liquidity, low startup costs and round-the-clock trading. Forex trading was previously reserved for financial institutions and banks that benefited from daily fluctuation in the currency rates. They also hedged their exposure in different currencies. In the last decade, Forex trading has been made available to retail investors. Retail investors are now realizing that other than a tool of hedging, a Forex account can serve as an asset in their portfolio. Trading currency is not easy. Few investors can devote time to learn the basics of currency trading, and it is best done by qualified and trained professionals. Investors who are interested in reaping the benefits of a booming Forex market but do not have time to learn nuances of trading may go for a managed Forex account. There are companies that are experienced and renowned in the business of Forex trading. They provide technical expertise and advice to their clients for a nominal fee. The individual or company responsible for managing your Forex account will do thorough market research and analysis on your behalf. They will recommend to you which currency pair should be sold or bought. As a retail investor, you investigate and ensure you have selected a reputable company that has a long-established history in the Forex market. Trained professionals from such companies strive to give steady yearly return to clients with a managed Forex account. Managed Forex account offers unique liquidity to investors. You can withdraw your money whenever you wish. This allows you to limit orders or manage potential risks as advised by your company. Trading a Forex account can be done round the clock for 5 days a week. This offers unique flexibility if you are busy during your office hours. Unlike the stock market, the Forex market is not as vulnerable to crash. This may be attributed to the fact that Forex trading is always done in pairs of currencies like US dollar for euros. A fall in one means rise of the other. An experienced professional has the expertise and knowledge to advise you which are likely to fall or rise. Managed Forex account have drawn retail investors for liquidity, transparency, ease of operation, and providing substantial return on investment. When these benefits are coupled with risk management, peace of mind, and steady performance, a managed Forex account should be considered as a must for sensible investors in their portfolio.